Have you ever wondered what would happen if you were in a motorcycle accident? It's an uncomfortable thought, no doubt. We all love the thrill of the ride, the freedom of the open road, but the reality is accidents do happen. They're unpredictable, unexpected, and can turn our world upside down in an instant. Motorcycle accidents can be particularly devastating. They often result in serious injuries, hefty medical bills, and a damaged bike. And let's not forget the emotional toll it takes. It's a situation none of us want to find ourselves in, but it's a reality we must be prepared for. Preparation is key here. It's about knowing what to do, who to call, and how to navigate the aftermath of an accident. That's where having the best motorcycle accident lawyer comes in. This is not just about legal representation, it's about having a trusted ally who understands the unique challenges and nuances of motorcycle accidents. Accidents can happen to anyone at any time. It's crucial to be prepared. So, what makes a motorcycle accident lawyer so important in these situations? Well, let's dive right into it. Motorcycle law is a specialized field with unique challenges and nuances that aren't found in other areas of law. This is why it's crucial to have a lawyer who knows the ins and outs of motorcycle accidents. They understand the specific issues that motorcyclists face, from bias against bikers on the road to the severe injuries that can result from these accidents. Think about this. When you're dealing with insurance companies after an accident, it's like stepping into a boxing ring. You wouldn't step into the ring without a coach, would you? Your lawyer is your coach in this scenario. They know how to bob and weave through the punches that insurance companies might throw your way. And it's not just about understanding the law, it's about understanding the reality of being a biker. A good motorcycle accident lawyer gets this. They understand the thrill of the ride, the freedom of the open road, and the risks that come with it. They're not just lawyers, they're advocates for the biking community. Then comes the legal maze. It can be a daunting task to navigate through the complex legal procedures that follow an accident. There's paperwork to be filled, evidence to be gathered, and deadlines to be met. It's easy to get lost. But with a specialized lawyer by your side, you're not alone. They will guide you through the process, ensuring that no stone is left unturned. And let's not forget, the best motorcycle accident lawyers don't just work for you, they work with you. They keep you informed every step of the way, ensuring that you're not left in the dark. They're your allies, your partners, your advocates. On the open road, having the right gear can make all the difference. In a motorcycle accident case, having the right lawyer is that gear. It's the helmet that protects you, the boots that ground you, and the gloves that give you a firm grip on the situation. With a specialized lawyer by your side, you can navigate the legal maze with confidence. But what about compensation? Isn't that what insurance is for? Well, yes and no. Insurance is designed to cover your expenses in the event of an accident. Yet it's important to remember that insurance companies are businesses, and like all businesses, their primary goal is to make a profit. Sometimes this can mean they offer less than what's fair for your accident-related expenses. This is where a skilled motorcycle accident lawyer comes into play. They have the expertise and the tenacity to fight for what you truly deserve. They understand the real cost of your medical bills, the expense of repairing or replacing your beloved bike, and the significant impact of lost wages if you're unable to work while recovering. Your lawyer will meticulously review every detail of your case. They'll analyze medical reports, consult with experts, and assess the full scope of your injuries and damages. This thorough investigation enables them to accurately determine the compensation you're entitled to. Now let's talk about lost wages. This isn't just about the time you spend in the hospital, it's also about the time you need to recuperate at home, or the rehabilitation you might need to get back on your feet, or back on your bike. A proficient motorcycle accident lawyer will also factor in future losses. What if your injuries limit your ability to work long-term, or prevent you from returning to your job altogether? These are the questions your lawyer will consider, making sure your compensation covers not just your present circumstances, but your future needs as well. Finally, there's the emotional toll. The trauma of an accident can lead to psychological issues like post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, anxiety, or depression. Your lawyer will fight to ensure your compensation includes damages for these often overlooked yet very real consequences. In short, your motorcycle accident lawyer is not just a legal advisor. They're your champion, your advocate. They're there to ensure that you're not shortchanged, that you receive the compensation you deserve for all your physical, emotional, and financial hardships. In the end, your lawyer is your advocate, fighting for the compensation you deserve. So, how do you choose the best motorcycle accident lawyer? Well, there are a few key things to consider. First, you'll want to look for a lawyer with extensive experience in motorcycle accident cases. This isn't a job for a generalist. You need someone who knows the specific challenges and nuances that come with motorcycle law. Second, you'll want to find a lawyer with a proven track record. Ask about their previous cases. How many have they won? Have they been able to secure substantial settlements for their clients? Their past performance can give you a good idea of what to expect. But perhaps the most important thing to look for is passion. You want a lawyer who is genuinely invested in defending the rights of bikers. They should understand the unique experiences and challenges faced by riders and be willing to fight tirelessly on your behalf. Remember, choosing a lawyer is not a decision to be taken lightly. This person will be your advocate, your guide through a complex legal process, and your best chance at getting the compensation you deserve. Take the time to do your research, ask the right questions, and make sure you feel comfortable and confident with your choice. Choosing the right lawyer can make all the difference in your case. So choose wisely, and remember, you're not just hiring a lawyer, you're investing in your future. Remember, the best defense is a good offense. With the right motorcycle accident lawyer, you're not just prepared, you're protected. Equip yourself with the knowledge and expertise that only the best can provide. Don't keep it to yourself though. Share this video with your fellow riders, friends, and family, because being prepared is a ride everyone should be on. Stay safe, and remember to subscribe to Finance Beta for more tips and insights. Until next time, ride safe.